Butterscotch sauce. Enormously high calorie count on this, 109 calories per portion, and there's 40 portions in this recipe. Only 3 ingredients. Make sure you dice the butter up. This will help incorporate it into the sauce and making the sauce faster. Dice the butter up when it's cold. It's a lot easier to work with. As you can see, just 3 ingredients. Weigh them all up, cut the butter, throw all the ingredients into a pot together, stir it pretty much constantly and bring it to the boil. It's that simple. As you can see, as the butter melts and I stir it, the sauce starts to get a little bit thicker. You could see small bubbles forming. Now it's almost finished, and that's the finished product there. Remove it from the heat and use it straight away. Drizzle it over ice cream sundaes, sticky date puddings, anything you want.